An error there. And a block here on Ella De Jesus gives UST the lead, 16-15. They are also ahead 2 sets to 1.
Well, at the start of this ball game, we compared the two setters, Rhea de Maculangan and Che Ferrer, and how they will do it this game, because they are really the captains inside, the drivers inside. They will dictate the game inside, pero nga unfortunately, Rhea de Maculangan
and Lantin is looking to steal the spotlight.
Hindi ko unfortunately, diba?
And Lantin is looking to steal the spotlight from everybody else.
Today?
Yeah, from everybody else.
A well-deserving girl, I tell you.
Yeah, as you said. Yung gana lang ngayon talaga, kitang-kita mo sa UST. But their body language is there's just more pep to it right now.
Yes, and then I think they're playing with bigger hearts now. And then David Rhea is inside. So what a reaction. It's really a good reaction on the side of UST. That they're giving an extra push. Well,
Ayun
from that error.
Miscommunication. Lantin was the one who has toiled for UST. Just as you mentioned, worked hard in practice. He never really gets to play for UST because Rhea de Maculangan is just such a great setter. But she's getting her chance here. That's a net block. That's 3 straight points for Ateneo, Mosey.
I think that was off the block.
It was off the block. Yes. My apologies. So we are at 17 all.
Another one for UST. So just as close as everybody wants it to be.
17 all. Who will mentally fold here in this 4th set? Both teams looking to win for different reasons. Coach Oji struggled at the start of season 74, 2 consecutive losses. Well, Ateneo's look good at 6-1. A little separation here.
Yes, now
but
Ateneo,
it's not safe.
Yes, 2-point lead for Ateneo, but they'll take it.
Obviously, this season, 7-point lead is not even safe.
Oh, yes. On the 5th set.
On the 5th set at that. And a timeout will be called by UST here. Medyo confusion from the UST side.
On defense.
Hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Bakit? 2017 na yan. Ngayon ka pa. Ayoko magkamali. Kayo na kumuha ng bola. Palitan mo yung mindset mo. Lahat ng bola sa'yo. Gusto ko marinig. Okay? Kukuha ka ng bola. Huwag kayo matakot magkamali. Okay? One good receive setup ng play. Jude.
Kanina pa niya sinasabi yan. This time out directed to the veteran Judy Caballejo.
Dalawang error yun on the reception on Judy Caballejo. And it's really frustrating Di bali nang mag-agawan kayo sa bola. You'd rather see that nagkakauntugan na sa bola rather than you just look at the ball, let it go down.
That's a great block. They timed that one perfectly.
That's right.
Coach Oji is looking at the bench here and will look for Ingrid Reyes to replace Judy Caballejo.
What a time for the block point to come for Ateneo.
He's fuming right now. Ella De Jesus, 4-point lead. To try to extend this to a 5th. Ortiz.
Putting a stop on the run.
Stops the bleeding. Let's look at that play once again. Classic play by UST. Micah Ortiz this time, nahuli. Yung block. 18 serving 21.
Oh, Gretchen Ho with that running hit, doesn't make it. UST with another point.
Mababa ba yun, Mos?
Medyo mababa. And again, si Jennifer is running. Hindi na naman siya in the best position to give that sa Tagarias, sibat.
Oo, na-set.
Mahirap talaga yun eh.
And Ella has had a couple of reception errors. The lead is only 2. Inagaw na ni Lazaro. Back set. That finds the line. Better set, better height, better reception.
That's right.
Inagaw nga ni Lazaro yung bola kay ano eh.
And now resulting To that point, Gretchen Ho on that cross-court hit.
Two running attackers of these two teams going at it. Alam mo, championship game na. Might as well be these two teams capable of getting there. Lead us 3. Chance again for Ateneo. Ferrer to Kainglet. Easily taken by Banaticla. They open up. Lastimosa. And an error on the net by Ateneo.
Sorry error there for Ateneo.
Ferrer yata yung tinawagan.
Yes. Jeff Ferrer on a net violation.
Coach Roger telling Phil, ibaon yung palo. Pag nakapunto sa UST dito, he's gonna call a timeout. 20 serving 22. Underhand set. And that's the timeout that we're gonna look at. Let's listen in.
Timeout, Ateneo.
Kailangan nga nating rumisibe. Ano ba kayo? Galing doon, kailangan nating makapalo. So, re-receive kayo. Hindi yung nag-aabang kayo. Tatapat ba ito sa akin o hindi? Nag-aasahan kayo eh. Hindi po pwedeng balak. Kayong dalawa, Dan, isipin natin tong bola na to. Hindi yung nag-aabangan lang kayo. Phil, kung ibabaon, malaki. Sabi ko sa kunin mo sa ibabaw.
And again, the pressure is on. And the Pep squad, the Blue Babel Battalion, trying to egg on this Ateneo squad.
1 point for the
Who are
Tigers.
up only by a point, but they need this set to extend it to a 5th. This girl, though, has done her job, no matter how the outcome of this match.
Oh, yes.
Again, another service or reception
but
error.
saved by Phil Kainglet.
But a chance here for USD. Oh, it's sent back.
What a dig from Z Herbacio.
Oh, but Ortiz says not this time around. 22 all.
Again,
Look at this crowd.
the connection of Lantin and Ortiz finally.
Nobody home.
And for, di ba, for Lauren Lantin to give it twice to Micah on a running hit na
Oo,
magkasunod.
Again, reception error. USD 2 points away from wrapping it up. And the crowd is going nuts. Tensionado yung reception ni Zidon, ano? Very tense. And guess who's been serving? It's Lantin who's been serving. Chance for USD for match point. Cross court. Di pa tapos to. Easy take for Morado. Reyes again. Ferrer. Up to Kainglet. Up speed!
And the support behind the blockers of USD. Lantin, I guess, is just too tired to go for that coverage.
Look at the extension and then.
Yes, smart move there.
Hindi ka ba naman mapeke niyan, Mozi, ano? Doon sa wind up ng kamay niya eh. 23 all.
Diinan mo yung palo mo. Nasarap ka pa? Diinan mo yung palo mo. Come. Diinan mo yung palo mo. Tapos, balik agad sa depensa. Dalawa lang ang spiker nila.
Lakas sa inyo, kaya ang dami nating error. Sinasabi kailangan nating rumisive. Saka naman kayo nagmi-miss-receive. Diba? Ibayan ninyo, alam nyo, ito na papalo. Si Ortiz, bantayan nyo na si Ortiz sa kayo isa rito.
Ito, pati bayan na ng dibdib dito.
Hindi. Pareho, di ba? Napakinggan natin
pareho.
pareho. Anong familiar word dun sa dalawang is received, di ba? Yun ang importante because it will start everything. But reception will come from USD first. So they'll be able to, let's see, execute a play. And yun yung
It's out.
sinasabi.
Oh, it's a net error.
It's a check ball. Check ball called on Ateneo.
Match point. And Karangan will come in to serve.
You want to make sure that this goes in. And no violent reactions coming from Ateneo, so I guess it's a good call. It's a check ball.
24, 23. UST looking to get back at Ateneo for the first round defeat. Double combination play is out. It's out. UST pulls it off. UST goes up to 5-3 and upsets the second-ranked team here in the second round. It's a great play, Mosey.
My goodness, what a game. And it was just a sorry miss for Phil Kainglet.
She was hoping na itawagan
Yes.
a check, but no check. UST down 1-0. Wins the next 3 in the most exciting fashion, drawing inspiration from the fallen teammate Rhea de Maculangan. And the story of the game, Lauren Lantin coming out and delivering for the Lady Tigresses.
You know, just a big game won by UST. Nobody really expected after that Rhea de Maculangan injury. Probably siguro half of the UST people in this arena is just waiting for
Parang wala na.
parang Ateneo to take this home.
Yes.
But UST, of course, did something special today, too.
17 all in the second set. Rhea de Maculangan goes down. Ateneo lost a little focus in that second set, and they lose the next 3. This one, they were ahead by as much as 3 in the fourth set. But UST taking it in dramatic fashion. And Victor Lopez is with the veteran Maru Banatigla.
Alright, so Maru, obviously, galing kayong malaking loss against Lasal, coming into this game against Ateneo today. What is the game plan naman in order to adjust?
Actually, wala naman kami masyadong binago na dun pa rin yung place namin, ganyan. Siguro ang binago lang namin is yung puso na palaban, mindset na ipapanalo kung ano mang nandyan.
Alright, so obviously, unfortunately, na-aksidente si Rhea kanina. How did you guys adjust to all that?
Siya na rin po kasi yung nagsabi kanina, punuan namin kung ano yung pagkukulang ng bawat isa. So yun yung ginawa namin. Pinunan namin kung ano yung kulang sa amin. Kaya siguro, yun yung naging dahilan ng pagkapanalo namin ngayon.
May gusto ko pang batiin.
Hello po dun sa mga relatives ko, sa family ko, sa friends ko. Happy birthday kay Jello. Tapos hello sa mga blackmates ko, sa marketing, sa finances, saka sa HR, saka high ranking po.
Alright, thank you very much, Maru, and congratulations. Boom and Mosey.
Thank you very much. The Calamba native is our best player of the day, and she put it perfectly, Rosie. Punan natin yung pagkukulang ni Rhea de Maculangan at pinaganda nila ang stint nitong si Lauren Lantin.
That's right. Ortiz also had a great game along with Caballejo. And Lastimosa, what a
Correct.
revelation
Yep.
for Coach Oji Mamon. Just that total teamwork shown by UST. That's why they were able to pull it off with the second best team to as of today here in the season 74.
Sports House play of the game got up to 60% off on select equipment at Sports House Red Carpet Deal. This is the second attack. Yun yung una, inipinasa. Lantin says, I'll go back to you. And Ortiz says, I'll put it away. Nobody home for Ateneo. And Ateneo still at second place. They go down 6-2. But UST with this win stays with FEU, who won yesterday, and they go up to 5-3. It sure felt like a 5-setter today, Mosey.
Yes.
Worthy of a 5-setter. And UST, we wanted to know how they would respond after the LaSalle loss. We got our answer.
That's right. And Ateneo also on the other hand really could have gotten to the 5th set. Very close. But towards the end, it was just really the big hearts of the Lady Tigresses.
And the crowd sure
yes.
helped them. Sure helped them. All right. We go back to action on Wednesday, January 18, here at the arena in San Juan. The Lady Falcons try to bounce back. 2 straight losses for them against Ateneo and LaSalle. They go up against the NU Bulldogs, who are in misery right now, losing 7 straight. While the Spikers, the Lady Spikers of LaSalle, 8-0, go up against the very dangerous FEU Lady Tamaraws, who stretched them to 5 sets the last time out. And that's in the second game of our Wednesday doubleheader. What action for the 74th season of the UAP. Earlier, UE winning against UP, and then UST pulling off this win, dramatic fashion, against the Ateneo Lady Eagles. For Erica Liboro, Victor Lopez, Derek Abet Ramos, Mosey Ravena, and everybody behind the scenes for ABS-CBN Sports, I'm Boom Gonzalez saying so long from the arena in San Juan as we continue to set, spike, and dig our way through the 74th season of the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Good night.